Today, BJP is launching protests across the state in a way. How one should see this? Because there is again increment of ₹2 in the diesel prices.
The arrogance of the Chief Minister. Arrogance because when Bharatiya Janata Party has hit the streets against this Congress government, against the price hike, today Bharatiya Janata Party, all our MLA, MLCs, ex-MLAs, we are protesting at Freedom Park against the price hike. And last night, the decision of Siddaramaiah government to increase diesel price by ₹2, it's really arrogance. I really don't understand. The problem with this government is, including chief ministers, the entire cabinet, they are sitting here in Bangalore. They are running administration by sitting in the AC room. Probably they are not able to understand the sufferings of the common man in the state. Hence, they are taking such a hasty decisions. They are not able to understand the ground reality. This Congress government is not able to understand the sufferings of the common man. They are under a imagination. Due to their guarantees, people are very happy. Due to their Congress guarantees, people are very happy. They are not facing any trouble. Probably this is there in the mindset of ruling Congress government. So firstly, I demand our Chief Minister and their cabinet colleagues, rather than sitting here in Bangalore, let them travel all across the state. Let them understand the ground reality. Let them understand the sufferings of the common man. Only then they will understand the crux of the matter. Otherwise, when BJP has decided to carry on protest from today onwards, increase by ₹2 on diesel prices, they could not have taken such a hasty decision. So demand Siddaramaiah to have some sympathy towards common man, have some sympathy towards Aam Aadmi, and roll back his price hikes.
Well, there is a protest today against the suspension of 18 MLAs. So what exactly you are demanding? Because after the protest, you are probably going to meet the Speaker also.
I'm told Speaker is traveling. Some senior officials on behalf of Speaker, they will take our representation. So the issue is very clear. The decision taken by Honorable Speaker, suspension of 18 Bharatiya Janata Party MLAs who are protesting on the floor of the House. When they are protesting on the floor of the House peacefully, suspending all 18 BJP MLAs with strict conditions, unheard of, suspending an elected representative for 6 months, curtailing their powers, they are not allowed to attend the committee meetings. What nonsense is this? We do respect the Speaker's chair. We do respect the Speaker's chair. But Speaker should not have taken such anti-constitutional stand. Speaker should not have acted on behalf of Congress government. Speaker should not have acted as an agent of the state government. So, we demand Honorable Speaker to take back the suspension of all our 18 MLAs unconditionally. Hence, all our MLAs, we are protesting in this regard. And one more thing, all our MLA and MLCs, we have already taken a stand. Until and unless the decision by Speaker has not been taken back, we are not going to attend any committee meetings. The decision has already been taken.